Dovizioso and Jorge Lorenzo when they were on the red factory Ducati. He's going to pick up some slipstream here down the 810-metre start-finish straight. He goes side by side with the factory Aprilia. He levels Bezzecchi in the braking zone. Bezzecchi really does try to tough it out on the outside, but Marquez got through. They run down onto the chicane into 2A we go. 2B coming up shortly. The left-hander, the squirrel acceleration now up the hill. Mark are back in the ascendancy.
That might be the decisive move. Bezzecchi was unable to launch a counter-attack into the chicane, and now Marc Marquez can just pick his own lines. He's not got an Aprilia launching up the inside of him, and Marc Marquez might finally have been able to break the resistance of the brilliant Marco Bezzecchi today.
Yeah, he fought for it. He fought